I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Charge it above 50% or plug in so the update won't stop mid-install. Next, backup photos and settings to cloud or a local drive because updates can change files. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges and speed up download. Open Settings, tap System or About Phone, and check for updates now. This kicks off the process and ensures you get the correct package for your model. You tap Download and review the size and release notes so you know what changes. This explains why the update matters. Allow any permissions the updater requests because installers need access to storage and system services. Monitor the download progress. Once complete, choose Install Now or Schedule for a convenient time. The phone will reboot into recovery to apply the update. Don't interrupt it. After installation, the system optimizes apps. This can take several minutes. You finish by confirming the new Android version and build number and settings so you know the update succeeded. Check apps and data. If something's missing, restore from the backup you made because that's why you backed up. If the update fails or the phone loops, free 1 to 2 gigabytes of storage and retry, or boot into safe mode and attempt the update again. This avoids third-party app interference. If problems persist, contact support with your model and error codes for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.